Hello, my name is Matt Russell and I'd like to welcome you to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we are upcycling some reclaimed bald cypress barnwood into an elegant piece of wall art. I work with our tools in a manner that I am comfortable with. Ensure you follow all safety instructions from the manufacturers of the tools that you use, as failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. This is an 11 3/4 inch wide and 10-foot long piece of bald cypress barnwood that we are upcycling from siding on one of our outbuildings. I am cutting the cracked end off and cutting the blank to 15.5 inches, which will make two elegant signs. I am using a white Scotch-Brite pad to clean the dirt and debris off of the reclaimed barnwood. I used compressed air from an air compressor to blow the debris off. I am using our Legacy Maverick CNC that we purchased in 2019. I mount the board down on the bed with some improvised MDF blocks on the left side of the board that are cut at a 35-degree angle, and Legacy's T-track stop blocks on the right side. I have the dust collector door open so you can see what the bit is doing, and with my dust collection it collects most of the fine particles of dust even with the door open. Absent getting video, I keep the door closed so that the dust collection is more efficient. The skirt you see around the bristles of the dust collector shoe is there to keep my dust collector from sucking the bristles in the way of the bit and up into the dust port. I am using a 1/8 inch compression bit to cut the piece of wall art out. It creates a small radius which improves the look of the letters over using a larger diameter bit. I am running the bit at 190 inches per minute. It takes 5 minutes and 17 seconds to cut the two signs out, so I am speeding up the video for brevity. This piece of wall art was inspired by Erin Weffenbach, the owner of Weifenbach located here in Lake City, Florida, who we recently hired to update our website. Her website can be found at www.wyfenbok.com. Her work on our website blessed us with a much better looking and functional website. So how have you been blessed today? Often we focus on the small negatives in our lives and don't take the time to reflect on all of our blessings. A few minutes focusing on our blessings is one way to improve the start of our day, and an elegant piece of wall art that you see may remind you of your blessings and bring more happiness to your life. I manually move the gantry away from the workpiece so I can access it. I cut the tabs off with a utility knife. I used a 1/16 inch radius roundover bit with a brass bearing to remove the tabs and give the edge a slight roundover. I am putting the first of 2 coats of gloss lacquer on the wall art. It provides protection for the wood and really makes the beautiful grain and patina of the wood pop. After the first coat dries, I am applying a second coat of gloss lacquer. I would greatly appreciate a comment on the video of how you have been blessed today. If this video has brought a blessing to your life to mine, please hit the like button. If you think this video can be a blessing to a friend, please share. If you would like to see more of our content, please subscribe. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and always remember, if you do the right thing, you don't have to worry about being wrong.